Questions 7 and 8. Rewrite this radical in mixed radical form. Okay, so let's make a factor tree for 50. 50 divided by 2 is 25. 25 I can divide by 5. And 5, of course, is a prime number. 25 divided by 5 is just 5. Fantastic. So the square root of 50 is just the square root of 2 times 5 times 5. We have a pair of 5s here that we can eventually remove from the square root. So I'm going to break this down as the square root of 2 times the square root of 5 times 5. I can just split up square roots like that, since we're multiplying everything. Okay. Now, 5 times 5 is 25. And the square root of 25, of course, is just 5. So we have the square root of 2 times 5, or 5 square root of 2. It's always nice to put the number without the radical in front of the radical. There we go. How about 72? Accidentally put a dot there. Now let's make a factor tree for 72. 72 divided by 2 is 36. Divided by 2 again is 18. I can divide 18 by 2. That's just 9. Now 9 I have to divide by 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Great, so 72 is just 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. And I can take out numbers from inside the square root in pairs. So there's a pair of 2s and a pair of 3s. This poor 2 is just going to stay lonely inside the square root. So let's just break things down. That 2 will stay by itself, unfortunately. And here we have the square root of 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So the square root of 4 is just 2. This 2 will remain inside the square root. And 3 times 3 is 9. So the square root of 9 is just 3. So we have 2 times the square root of 2 times 3. And 2 times 3 is 6. So we can just rewrite the square root of 72 as 6 times the square root of 2. Or 6 root 2. That's it.